Ukrainian officials can be heard cheering and celebrating in the background of a video after its armed forces took out another Russian tank. Video footage shows Ukrainian armed forces completely blasting a Russian tank to smithereens as the fightback against Russia continues. In clips shared online, a Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 armed drone hones in on what looks like a Russian BUK-M1 air defense system. The footage also shuts down Russian claims made a few days ago that their military had greatly weakened Ukrainian armed drones. In the video, cheers and celebrations can be heard from the Ukrainian operators as the Russian vehicle blows up. Nicholas Drummond, a defense industry analyst and former army officer, shared the clip. He added, "We seem to have reached a point where missile technology enables any armored vehicle to be destroyed, regardless of the level of protection." If this is correct, we will need to completely rethink how we make AFVs survivable. Prior to Russia's invasion, Ukraine had approximately 20 Bayraktar TB2s, with Kyiv agreeing to purchase more from Ankara.